Hi, my name is Anthony Chan. I'm the Director for Strategic Product in Sitecore, responsible for the Greater Asia region. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how Sitecore Commerce work to create a context-driven commerce experience for your customers. Right now, in front of you, you can see the Acme reference storefront. So this reference storefront is selling outdoor gears. So you can see right now on the screen, you have a beautiful banner. It's a rotation banners showing the various campaign product you are promoting right now. The second part is you have some recommended product. You have product that is new to the store, and you also have some product on sales. So you can see by default the recommendation. You have like a pants, you have like a jacket, you have t-shirt, you have a shoe here. So on the website as well, you'll find there is an adventure blog, which is really the differentiation why you should have your official website to be able to promote your own items versus like selling stuff just on the marketplace where you have no ability to really put on additional content to either one establish your brand to the customers or to give like useful information to the customers such that they will come back for research rather than just come in and do the transactions. So now I'm going to show you, I had the customers called Robert Chan who have come in and have bought like some climbing gear with me in the past. So I'm going to the login page. So Robert Chan's email address is a demo@sitecore.net, and I'm putting in the password here. So you can see based on what we understand the profile of Robert. So the banner have changed. So the landing, the first image is showing is really a climbing gear. That's like some the items that you want to promote to climbing people. And then you can also see the recommended items have changed. So instead of like the jacket, the t-shirts, or the pants, now it's all like the climbing equipment. You can also see on the blog post if I've changed. Now it talk about if you really want to climb with your child, what kind of things you need to think about. So all this content are geared and personalized towards the understanding that Robert is like climbing. Sorry. So the next thing I want to show you is Robert, while he had bought climbing equipment in the past, he got invited to hiking right now. So the reason why he come back to the Acme is really he want to look for a bag. So let's go to the backpack session. He has ability to basically look at the product by different sort order. Right now, this is based on the ascending order based on the rating. You can also change it based on the price. Right now, there are free bags here, which is good. So Robert just wants some simple stuff. He normally doesn't go for hiking that much, but now in this case, he got invited. So this university bag looks good. And they also in discount right now. Initially is $99, so now it's $79. It's good. So he wants, and then maybe go and take a look of a second bag. So Pacific. Okay, so this is also interesting. $151. So look at the different colors. Looks good, but because there's no discount, probably not as exciting. So he's going back to the backpack session. The other one that is available, the Constoga, $300 something, is a little bit probably too expensive. So he will skip that. So coming back into the university bag, so he thinks this is really good, and so he's going to add this to the cart. So you can see on the cart right now, there is already one bag in there, which is good. So he come back to the landing page, and what he found is the blog posts have changed because Robbie has actually just looked at the backpack there and put something in the backpack. You can see the website is actually trying to upsell Robbie a little bit of something else. So why jacket when you do the hiking? So that's interesting. So he hasn't really thought of getting a new jacket. but when he's reading through it, he think he should really look at getting a ventilated jacket, which is not cheap. But when you look at the right-hand side, the good thing is the website is actually doing a promotion right now. We are celebrating 2 years opening on 9. Now you can get a further 10% using this coupon. Fantastic. So why not take a look like if he got like further discounts. So now he's going to go to the Parker session. And he look at all this, like since he's got a good discount, he probably want to get a high-end Campos jacket here. So he look at the different colors. It looks good. There is a 10% discount already. So maybe once he applied it at the kill point, he'll have like a further saving. That looks really good. So now he add the item into the cart as again. So now he got 2 items here. So now he finished all the transactions. When he come back to the site, the blog post change again here. So for expert like you, so because Robert just bought a high-end jacket, so the website recognize it and able to personalize some of the information for him as well. So that's all good. So now he have done the shopping, and he's ready to go and check out. Before he check out, obviously he want to take a look review the shopping cart again. He has this coupon year 2, so he's going to put it in. Right now, the total is $362, and once he applied that, that's great. So he see each of the item he got further 10% discount. So now he can only pay. He just need to pay like $325.80. Now he want to go for checkout, and he was being prompt for delivery options, so he can ship all the items in one go or ship individual item separately. So he just want to ship them all together. He need to type in the address here. So I'm just help him put the address down. And so it's done, and then available shipping option. Okay, so what kind of shipping option? Standard, next day by air, standard overnight, or ground. So standard will do, is not that urgent. So I click that and then continue to billing. So I just need to put in the credit card information here. So let me just put that in. 6004242. Okay, oops, make a mistake. It's a name. The field is required. Okay, I'm going to put that in. Robert Chan. Okay, and the credit card expiring 2018. Security verification. Okay, it's good. Billing, same as shipping address, so it's all done. Okay, so this is a confirmation page. Look at the item is all correct, the total is correct. Since I pick up the standard shipping, I add in additional $2, so the total come up to $327.80. Shipping address correct, billing address, credit card payment correct. So then I'm going to confirm the order. So so the system is processing it, and now I got a confirmation code. Order status is processing. That's good. I can print the receipt, but in this case, Robert doesn't need that, so it's okay. So that's basically complete the transactions. So what Robert can do is he can go back to my accounts page, and you can see the 21001 is the latest order he put in. So that's basically how he can track the order itself. So that's really the demonstration itself. So you can see the Sitecore Commerce can really offer you as a customer to build a beautiful, engaging website with ability to use external profile information that can store in the CRM. Based on historical information, the user can interact with you, or based on implicit personalization is based on the fact like what the customer is interested in the product, and go in and take a look of those item and then be able to personalize experience. So that's like what the experience can give you. So what I'm now going to show you is how as a customers or how as an administrator you'll be able to um, manage the product itself. So which is like in the category of a product catalog management. So Sitecore have this ability. So this is a launchpad, by the way. So all the administration will be done through here. So we have a tool basically similar to the PIM or Product Information Management. It's called the Merchandising Manager itself. So what you can see is all this like outdoor gear catalog is managed through here. So it's called the Adventure Works catalog. So once you click into this, you can see what's the category in there. Let me browse through by department. So this is a good way for you to expose the tool to administration person. So right now this is on the list mode. I can change it into tile mode so you can see a bit nicer. So I look at the backpack and you can see now I can actually manage like the backpack description, the pricing as well here. There are some standard template like the name of a SKU, price of a SKU, some other description. You have extended field that you can add in there as well. You can actually use our ability to add on additional images relating to the product, and so that's typically what customer call as a product enrichment. You can bring out the content that is already managed by Sitecore from the media library, and then you can attach it over here. You can also like manage like the variant of a product as well. You can like set relationship like to other product where when you show up a university backpack, for example, what other items that you also want to upsell. So that's basically being set up in the relationship part, and it will point back into parents like the university bag see under the parent category itself. So this is like the tool that you will use to manage a product from the product catalog management perspective. So that's the end of this demonstration. So hope you enjoy it, and talk to you next time.